Today we're talking about 5 spices that you've probably heard of that can be extremely dangerous for you. So listen up because you're probably already storing these in your spice cabinet right now. The first one is nutmeg. So nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin, which in high doses can have a hallucinogenic effect and be toxic to the central nervous system. Ingesting a significant amount of nutmeg could lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and even convulsions. It's worth noting that nutmeg toxicity is rare and it requires the consumption of an unusually large amount, but still, do be careful if you're baking something delicious in the fall and it contains nutmeg in it. The next one is sassafras, and sassafras is a spice derived from the bark of a sassafras tree. It contains safrole, which is a compound that was once used in the production of root beer flavoring. However, safrole has been shown to be a potential carcinogen in animal studies, and its use as a flavoring agent in foods and beverages has been banned by regulatory authorities in many countries. So be careful of sassafras. The next one is cassia cinnamon, also known as regular cinnamon. And regular cinnamon contains a compound called coumarin, which in large amounts can be toxic to the liver. High levels of coumarin consumption have been linked to liver damage. However, true cinnamon contains much lower levels of coumarin and is considered safer for consumption. So definitely be careful when you're buying cinnamon at the store. Make sure you're getting the right one. Next up is mustard seeds, and mustard seeds contain compounds which in large amounts can cause irritation to your digestive system and potentially lead to gastrointestinal distress. It could cause you nausea and it could cause you vomiting. So definitely be careful and don't overdo the mustard seeds in your cooking and in your salads or whatever you're eating that has mustard seeds in it. All right, the next one is chili peppers, and the compound that's responsible for the heat in chili peppers has potential health benefits, but consuming extremely large quantities or concentrated forms of the capsicum in an extract or in the pepper itself could lead to intense gastrointestinal discomfort, which includes nausea and vomiting and severe abdominal pain. So it's important to be careful. Don't get too caught up in the competitions about spicy foods and hot sauces. Be very careful because it can be extremely toxic if you consume too much. So it is important to emphasize that the risks associated with these spices are based on excessive consumption, which is beyond what we would typically use in our cooking. Moderation is always key, and if you have any concerns about specific spices or its potential effects, you should definitely consult with your doctor or other healthcare professional. But until next time, everybody, be careful, watch what you're using in that spice cabinet, be well, and I will see you soon.